Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong X, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find the display. Now let's find the screen timeout option, and after tapping on it you can check all the options related to the timeout. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom the longest option, the longest time option, which is 30 minutes, and never option, which means that after choosing it your device will not black out automatically. So all you have to do to change the screen timeout is to tap on the option like to use. I'll choose 30 minutes. As you can see, it is immediately applied, and after getting back you can see that it is also notified right here, which means that from now on, after 30 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.